Hi community, I'm Miguel Baron, and this is a quick video start for use double Dojo Casa house definition. In this case, you can download it for Rhino, so we will proceed. And just to confirm, go to configuration and properties and unlock it to avoid problems further with GH. So once open Rhino, we should try to open it with a solver blocked, so we can configure the further parameters. In this case, we want to run just once, so the user interface can appear. And here it is. It appears in my second screen, so that's the reason. And in this case, we want to start filling the spaces. For example, we're gonna define entities for every space. In this case, living, dining, kitchen. This is just examples. And the next step will be define the adjacencies of direct relationship with the other spaces. In this case, we need to prove the interface, so it aligns with the names, but it has to be in folders, and maybe with the help of Andrew Newman, who was the developer of the UI, human UI. So yeah, maybe they will be help further to that. Now, once everything is input, we just need to click in whatever of the boxes next to the name and run it. Continue, unlock the solver, enable the solver, and now we can see it's already working. The generation of the plugin is doing by the help of Anemone and have two filters. One of the filters is that the adjacencies should not cross, and if that happens, do not bake. And the other filter that it has is that we have redundancies of the projects. So if it's already creating the same results over and over, don't gonna bake it. So yeah, so don't have redundancies, and that's it. In this case, we will appear a grid, so we can perceive how many iterations we have. And also what we have is that it's interactive. So we can interact with the definition in every moment and try new arrangements that we maybe don't get with the random search. So yeah, we can see it's working, and maybe try another arrangement in real time. Just you need to click on the space you want to move and drag it. Maybe this for here, and that makes have an extra ability to adapt to particularities of the space we are surrounded the develop. So yeah, I hope you liked. We're gonna see just quick what other things we need to change to affine to a particular projects. So in this case, you maybe need a different uh, number of spaces. So in this case, will be directly in the gene pool. So here you can change, and will be change also the UI interface. So you will need to start again. Also, you will be maybe change in this case the form of the boundary. The limits of the bound of the space is defined by the sum of all the individual spaces. And here is already in a parametric way with a proportion system, so you can be a rectangular instead of boxed, a cube. Also, what we have to change maybe is the place to access. In this case, we use a pointing curve. So in the direct of the boundary you define, you will define the point, and that will be the axis. Also, another thing you will need is the how many iterations you can change it. If you want to do it manually, you can put your 0, and in the first iteration will be manually full all the way, or even in the iterations you can interact in any one, every one, and will be baked if the other filters that I mentioned, that that's the filters that here, filter for duplicates, filter for cross agencies, and Well, what the magic is in the Kangaroo physics plugin. So here is all the components, and it's provided by two continuum simulations. And yeah, what other thing you need in case you want to start? This is the button to restart, and yeah, and every simulation we have a rhythm slider. So the rhythm can change the results. Uh, More slow will be with a less number, and if you want the fastest, biggest number. But the results improve with a kind of low middle number. And just for last, and can you see in the other examples, you can change the boundary, but yeah, you can put whatever boundary you want, and that's it. And well, once we be in the Rhino, the biggest results to we already changed the grid. The grid is adapt with the boundaries. So once we change the number of agents, we change the number of space. Because of that, all change. But already we have baked the results with the before results, and everything can be turned off quick, like here or the curves. In this case, the walls. And that's it, guys. I hope you like, and I hope you can improve further for more complex projects. And also, you upload also that kind of results, and maybe we can do a wish list to improve in collaboration. So enjoy it.